Hi, family detectives. Mission 9, visiting the past. This week, we've mapped our ancestors and explored their communities. Now it's time to actually go and see where they lived, whether that's in person or virtually from home. There are a few ways to do this. Cemeteries and memorials can offer dates, family groupings, and sometimes inscriptions that reveal far more than a simple record ever could. Street view tools on Google Maps and things let you virtually walk the streets your ancestors once lived on. Sometimes the buildings are still standing. Historic maps, like the ones from the side by side maps from the National Library of Scotland, link in the comments, let you see a place exactly as it was during your ancestors' lifetime. You might find road names have changed, and this might help you when you're looking at census records. And it tells you stuff about life before modern developments changed the landscape. The house I'm sitting in now, my house, is on land one of my ancestors farmed 100 years ago, more than that, 150 years ago. And I discovered that by putting the two things together. And archive photographs will show you the church, the street, or the village as your ancestors would actually have seen it. There's something genuinely moving about standing, even virtually, in the exact place your family once called home. Your mission this week: visit or virtually visit one family location. Take a photo, a screenshot, or simply make a note of what you discover. This week's discussion: share a photograph of somewhere connected to your family, whether it's one you've taken yourself or one you found through Street View or an archive. I'd love to see it. So share it in the comments or on the Facebook page. Happy researching. See you in week 4.